If you've ever looked at your favorite plant and thought, I wish I had 3 more of you, good news. Some plants don't make you wait years to multiply. In fact, if you start producing baby plants or pups surprisingly fast after planting. These are perfect if you love fuller pots, easy propagation, or simply watching your plant family grow without extra effort. Spider plant is one of the fastest and most generous plants when it comes to pups. Within 5 to 6 months of planting, a healthy mature plant can start sending out long runners with baby spider plants hanging at the tips. These pups already form tiny roots, which means you can snip them off and place them in water or soil, and they'll start growing almost immediately. Bright indirect light and slightly snug roots help trigger more babies. Aloe Vera produces pups straight from the base once it feels settled and healthy. When the plant becomes slightly root-bound, it redirects energy into making baby aloes that look like mini versions of the parent. These pups grow quickly but need careful separation once they're a few inches tall. Strong light and well-draining soil make a big difference in how fast new pups appear. Dwarf Banana surprises many people with how fast it multiplies. After about 6 to 12 months, pups begin emerging from underground rhizomes near the base. These suckers grow upright and strong, and once they reach about a foot tall, they can be separated and replanted. Since the main plant dies after fruiting, these pups are essential for keeping the plant going. Zebra Haworthia may look small, but once mature, it quietly produces multiple pups each year. These babies grow clustered around the base and can be gently twisted or cut away once they're large enough. Although the plant takes time to mature, it rewards patience with steady offshoots and needs very little maintenance indoors. Chinese money plant is famous for popping out pups when it's happy. These babies grow from the soil near the main stem, sometimes just months after planting during the active growing season. You can leave them to create a bushy look or separate them and root them in water before moving them to soil. Bright light and regular watering speed things up. Pineapple grows pups called slips and suckers after or during fruiting, usually just below the fruit. These offshoots can be twisted off and planted to grow new plants. While pineapples take time overall, plants grown from pups tend to fruit faster than those grown from crowns, making them a smart choice for propagation lovers. Snake plant produces pups from underground rhizomes, especially when grown from divisions of mature plants. In good conditions, pups can appear within 4 to 5 months. These hardy plants prefer being slightly root-bound, and less frequent watering often encourages more baby growth rather than tall leaves. If you want plants that multiply without stress, these are some of the easiest and most rewarding choices. Try one or a few and watch your plant collection grow faster than you expected. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves plants as much as you do.